National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of impending hazards. This test of the alarm tone is conducted at this time every week.
No, they both died.
Good weather day. The alarm tone will vary at different locations based on the transmitter you're listening to. We urge you to check our internet homepage for specific coverage areas. Alarm tones are activated for select watches, warnings, and selective statements. This concludes our weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normal scheduled programming. This is NOAA Weather Radio.
Thank you. Fucking died. Both radios die.
Activating for selected watches.
Oh.
This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Bro, both these radios died. I thought I charged them, but what do you expect when you listen to Melanie Martinez at max volume on your weather radios? That's what happens. Radios die more faster. At least we caught it.